Hi guys, welcome to the session. This is Prakash Math Tutor. Let's solve the inequality question which I have written on the whiteboard. A compound inequality is given. We need to solve this, and also we need to write the solution set in number line. Given minus 3 plus x less than or equals to 8x by 3 plus 2 less than or equals to 14 by 3 plus 2x. So we can split this as minus 3 plus x less than or equals to 8x by 3 plus 2 and 8x by 3 plus 2 less than or equals to 14 by 3 plus 2x. Now solve this inequality separately. So let's solve this first. So subtract 2 on both sides. We'll get minus 5 plus x less than or equals to 8x by 3, and subtract x on both sides. So we'll get minus 5 less than or equals to 8x by 3 minus x. So now take LCM and simplify this. We'll get minus 5 less than or equals to 8x minus 3x by 3. 8x minus 3x becomes 5x. So 5x by 3. So if we move that 3 to left hand side, we'll get minus 15 less than or equals to 5x. And if you divide both the sides by 5, we'll get minus 3 less than or equals to x. So which can be written as x is greater than or equals to minus 3. Now solve the second part of the question. Subtract 2 on both sides. So we'll get 8x by 3 less than or equals to 14 by 3 plus 2x or minus 2. So now subtract 14 by 3 on both sides. So we'll get 8x by 3 minus 14 by 3. So here we have a same denominators, which is minus 3 less than or equals to 2x minus 3. So we can move that 3 to right hand side. We'll get 3 into 2x minus 2. So 8x 14 less than or equals to 6x minus 6. Now move x terms to one side and constant terms to other side. So we'll get 8x minus 6x less than or equals to 14 minus 6, which is 2x less than or equals to 8. So x is less than or equals to 4. So we got two inequalities. So now combine both the inequalities. So if you combine x greater than or equals to minus 3 and x less than or equals to 4, we'll get minus 3 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 4. So this is the inequality solution for the given compound inequality. Now draw the solution set on the number line. So just draw the number line. So and mark the inequality range from minus 3 to 4. So if we draw that, so minus 3 to 4, and since we have a less than or equals to symbols, we just need to draw a closed circle like this. So this is the number line for the given compound inequality. I hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching.